Hello guys, good day. Lance here guys. For today's video guys is we're going to make another trade in Xnova guys. So previous video guys I introduced you to the Xnova guys, and right now guys is we're going to make money guys. We're going to make our best move guys in order us to earn money on the trading in the Xnova guys. So first guys is we will gonna choose blitz, which means that we can earn money in just seconds, and we will gonna choose BTC. Open since 3 2 1, let's go. So this BTC guys, that it gives me a lot of profit guys. So quick disclaimer guys before you join in this kind of platform guys. Quick disclaimer guys, I'm not a financial advisor guys. This video is for educational purposes only guys. So please manage your own risk, and please do your own research also guys before joining in the trading platform guys. Any trading platform guys, you need to acquire knowledge guys for you to be able to know how the trading works guys. So let's try guys. So we will gonna try guys at least $100, and if we correct our guess guys, higher or lower guys, we will gonna earn 85% guys in just 5 seconds. Like for example guys, we will gonna select high because I think it will going to high. So again let's try high again. So yeah, easy. Let's try $200 guys. So let's try again. Let's click higher guys. Let's click higher. Let's go higher. So we're in guys, we're in $100 guys. Imagine guys, if you trade in the Xnova guys and you select 5 seconds guys, you can earn in just that seconds. So for as low as $1 guys, you can easily choose higher or lower guys in the trading platform guys. But before you trade guys, make sure guys you watch their tutorial. There's a lot of tutorial guys in their technical analysis and fundamental analysis, or any technical analysis guys you can use in the trade Xnova guys. And you can also select 5 seconds, 10 seconds, up to 5 minutes in a blitz guys. And you can also select another assets guys. Like for example, you're gonna select trending in the Philippines. So the trending in the Philippines guys is Euro to USDT. So let's try another blitz. And by the way, we can trade multiple charts at one time guys. Like for example guys, we will gonna trade in the blitz. Let's try at least $50, and I think based on the chart guys, it will become higher. Let's check. Higher. Amazing guys. So we just win another $44 guys, because 89% guys is $44 in the $50 guys. So by the way, let's try another one, but we will gonna make it a one chart guys, and we will just focus in the Euro to USDT guys, because it gives 89% guys. And as you can see in the blitz guys, in the BTC to USDT guys, they only give 85%, which is good, but this time we will gonna choose Euro to USDT guys. So I think the market will go higher this time. Let's go higher. Make it higher. No. So let's try another again. 50. I think 50. 50. Let's go. Let's win this. Yes. We win, guys. 89%. Here we go. So let's try another one, guys, but we will gonna make it a $100, guys. If we successfully guess the right result, guys, we will going to earn $89. I think this their price will go up to higher. Sige, let's win this. Let's go. Win this. Nice one. 89, easy $89, guys. So what are you waiting for, guys? Grab the opportunity, guys, but always remember, this video is for educational purposes only, guys. I'm not a financial advisor, guys. I'm just showing you what I am capable and trading, guys. And you can also deposit, guys. If you want to join, guys, you can deposit through GCash and use my promo code LANSYT, guys, for you to be able to earn bonus in your balance, guys. You can earn $5, and also you can also refer in their market analysis, in their news, in their economic calendar, and earnings calendar, guys. You can use this as a reference, guys, that trends on the market, guys. And you can also click their support, guys. If you have a question, guys, you can message the support, and you can also join the community, guys, in their Telegram, Xnova Global. So what are you waiting for, guys? Why not try this opportunity, guys, to trade and earn in just a second? So see you in my next videos.